Have you ever dreamed of starting your own online business? Imagine the freedom of being your own boss, setting your own hours, and creating something truly special. But the thought of building a website, sourcing products, and managing orders feels overwhelming, right? Well, guess what? It doesn't have to be that way. With the incredible power of artificial intelligence, launching and running a successful online store is easier and more accessible than ever before. In this article, we'll explore how AI can empower you to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality, without needing any prior experience or a huge upfront investment. Let's unlock the exciting world of AI-powered e-commerce. Ready to get started on this exciting journey? Let's dive in! Choosing the right niche is crucial for any successful online business. Your niche is your area of focus, the specific types of products you'll offer to a particular group of customers. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, let AI help you find a niche that aligns with your interests. AI tools like ChatGPT can analyze data and suggest popular growth potential niches. List your interests, then ask ChatGPT for niche ideas. Explore the suggestions and see what resonates. The best niche is one you're passionate about. When you believe in what you're selling, it shows. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to create your online store. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech whiz to build a beautiful and functional website. Platforms like Shopify make it incredibly easy to get your store up and running in no time. Shopify offers user-friendly templates, drag-and-drop features, and a whole host of apps and integrations to help you customize your store to your liking. Plus, they have excellent customer support if you ever need assistance. But here's the best part. AI can make the process even smoother. Tools like Build Your Store can actually create a fully functional online store for you, complete with product listings, descriptions, and even payment processing. Imagine, no more spending hours figuring out website design, coding, or dealing with complicated tech stuff. AI takes care of all the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on what matters most: curating amazing products and building relationships with your customers. Setting up your online store is an exciting step, and with the help of AI, it's never been more manageable. Get ready to watch your entrepreneurial dreams take shape. Section 4, Step 3, Effortless Inventory and Fulfillment. One of the biggest hurdles for many aspiring e-commerce entrepreneurs is the thought of managing inventory and fulfilling orders. It can feel daunting to think about storing products, packing boxes, and shipping them out to customers. But here's where the magic of AI truly shines. With tools like AutoDS, you can automate your entire inventory and fulfillment process, transforming it from a potential headache into a seamless, hands-free experience. Here's how it works. AutoDS connects your online store with various suppliers and wholesalers. When a customer places an order on your website, AutoDS automatically sends the order information to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to your customer. You don't have to handle any physical inventory, packaging, or shipping. It's all taken care of for you. This means you can focus on growing your business, marketing your products, and providing excellent customer service. AutoDS and similar tools make it incredibly easy to run a successful e-commerce business without the traditional hassles of inventory management and order fulfillment. Section 5. Step 4. Spread the word and watch your customer base. Grow. Once your online store is up and running, it's time to start driving traffic and attracting customers. Marketing your business is essential for reaching your target audience and generating sales. Here are a few strategies to consider. Social media marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest are excellent for reaching potential customers. AI tools can help you create content, schedule posts, and target your ideal audience. Content marketing. Create valuable content like blog posts, videos, or infographics. AI can assist with content creation by suggesting topics and writing drafts. Email marketing. Build an email list to share product announcements and exclusive discounts. AI can help segment your list, personalize messages, and automate campaigns. Paid advertising. Use Google Ads and social media to target specific keywords and demographics. AI can optimize your ad campaigns, adjust bids, and improve ROI. By leveraging these strategies and AI, you can build a loyal customer base and watch your online business thrive. Section 6. Step 5. the sky's the limit. Your potential with AI-powered e-commerce. One of the most exciting things about starting an online business is the incredible potential for growth. With the right strategies and tools, you can scale your business to generate significant income and achieve your financial goals. AI-powered e-commerce empowers you to work smarter, not harder. As your business grows, you can continue to leverage AI tools to automate more tasks, streamline your operations, and free up your time to focus on strategic decision-making and growth initiatives. Imagine this: personalized product recommendations. AI can analyze customer data to suggest products that individuals are most likely to be interested in, increasing sales and customer satisfaction. Automated customer service AI-powered chatbots can handle common customer queries, provide instant support, and free up your time to focus on more complex issues. Data-driven insights. AI can analyze your sales data, customer behavior, and market trends to provide you with actionable insights that can inform your business decisions and help you stay ahead of the competition. Global reach. With an online store, you can reach customers all over the world, expanding your potential customer base exponentially. The possibilities for growth and expansion in the world of AI-powered e-commerce are truly limitless. Section 7. Conclusion. Ready to unlock your entrepreneurial spirit? Starting an online business might have seemed like a distant dream in the past, but with the power of AI, it's now within reach for anyone with a passion, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn and grow. Imagine the freedom and fulfillment of creating something you believe in, connecting with customers worldwide, and building a business that aligns with your values and aspirations. Remember, you don't have to do it all alone. With the support of AI-powered tools, a supportive community, and your own determination, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a thriving reality. So what are you waiting for? Take that first step today and embrace the exciting world of AI-powered e-commerce.